Hi everyone! In this video, we will demonstrate how Kynetics enhances the capabilities of the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit for Automotive on the Toradex EG25GL SMARC hardware kit by adding support for LTE networks and GPS through the Quectel EG25GL LTE modem. At the hardware level, this setup is built around the Toradex EG25GL SMARC development kit. The development kit delivers the computing power and exposes a wide range of interfaces, while the carrier board makes these connections easily accessible for developers. It includes support for cellular connectivity through M2 connectors and a SIM card slot, enabling the integration of the Quectel EG25GL LTE and GPS module. Quectel is a global leader in IoT and automotive connectivity solutions. The EG25GL is a compact LTE modem with integrated GPS and GNSS, widely adopted in connected automotive applications. By combining Toradex hardware with the Quectel modem, developers get a strong foundation for automotive applications that require mobile communication and positioning. Support for this hardware setup is delivered as an extension to the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit through Kynetics Update Factory remote device management platform. Update Factory is included in the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit. With this toolkit, you get everything you need to run Android Automotive on the Toradex EG25 SMARC hardware kit. This toolkit includes three main components: a ready-to-use Android Automotive operating system optimized for the Toradex EG25 SMARC hardware kit, an embedded SDK that gives you direct access to hardware interfaces like GPIO, I2C, SPI, serial ports, and CAN bus. The third component, as we mentioned before, is Update Factory, which allows over-the-air updates and device management. For this extension, Update Factory delivers the over-the-air update with all the system add-ons, including modem and GPS drivers, services, and configuration files, required to enable LTE and GPS connectivity on the SMARC EG25 board. Before applying the update, the GPS application shows no satellites detected. The module is not yet active. The OTA package is then assigned and deployed through Update Factory, and the installation process begins on the device. Once the installation completes, the board reboots automatically. After the reboot, the Quectel device is activated. The board connects to the LTE network for data communication, while the GPS receiver begins scanning for satellites to provide real-time location information. This LTE and GPS extension is part of the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit and is delivered as an OTA through Update Factory. By combining Toradex SMARC EG25 hardware, the Quectel EG25GL modem, and Kynetics Update Factory, the Embedded Android Developer Toolkit gains powerful LTE and GPS capabilities. The hardware delivers computing performance and interfaces, the modem adds connectivity and positioning, and Update Factory provides a secure and reliable way to deploy the extension. Altogether, this combination makes it easier to design and test proof of concepts for connected automotive applications. Thanks for watching.